Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters, today we're going to look at this, the Papercraft Society box, and this is box 34, the July box. So let's have a look inside and see what comes in this. So it says here inside, crafting is all about enjoying the process as much as the end result, Lou. So this box has been designed by the lovely Lou Collins, and her thing is the textures range. So let's have a look first and see what comes inside the wallet, and then we'll have a look and see what we get inside this lovely tissue paper. So I'll move that out of the way for now and we'll bring back in the wallet. So inside the wallet we have a couple of little sayings from Lou, as well as don't forget to share your makes with us. Use the hashtag Papercraft Society. Then we have a little parchment on a project, always adds a touch of elegance. A little crafting each day keeps my hands and my mind busy. And then it has explore a new craft technique and put your own spin on it. So now inside we get some stamps and dies. We have the dies here, stamps, we get a package with something in it and some stencils. So the first thing I want to look at is the dies, and I'm going to take a piece of white cardstock from my stash so we can have a look at these. So you can see here from the dies that we have a large butterfly and a smaller butterfly. We have a flower, and this is a flower and the flower outline. We have flower centers. We have 3 butterflies in a row, and this will die cut out all 3 at the same time. We also have a butterfly body. We have another flower here, flower outline, leaf, leaf outline, and some more of these little dies. I believe these are for our butterfly trails. And you'll notice here that there are holes to in our dies, and I believe this is for so we can do a little bit of sewing or embroidery using these dies. So it's not something I've ever done before, but we can have a look at that in more depth later. So now we get some stamps as well. We get some edging stamps, which are lovely. We get a lovely stamped image here. This could be used as a butterfly trail as well. We get some leaf sprigs. We get some smaller little edgings, and we have capture the moment, love, birthday wishes and butterfly kisses, celebrate being you, if nothing ever changed there would be no butterflies, and butterflies can't see their wings. So I don't believe there's anything in the die set that die cuts out from the stamp set, so they're totally separate of each other. Okay, so now let's see what's in this middle compartment. So here we get 2 stencils. These are A6 size stencils, and we have this lovely one. I'm going to get a piece of colored cardstock so it'll make it easier for you to see. So we have this one, it's like a frame stencil with loads of swirls. That's so cool. And then this one is a butterfly stencil. So if you like making the A6 smaller size cards, then this is perfect for you. I like to make the 5x7 and 6x6 cards, but we can still use this. We can mat and layer on it to build up the front of a card, or we can just use this for stenciling lovely butterflies on a card piece as well. So some great options there with that. Next we have this package here, and inside this we get some A5 sheets. Now these are parchment paper, and I believe what Lou would like us to do with this, or whatever we think ourselves, is to take our dies and die cut into it, and then stitch what the shapes that we die cut out. So in this bundle we get 12 sheets of A5 parchment paper, so quite a lot in that. So that's everything now that comes in the wallet. Let's have a look and see what comes inside our tissue paper. So don't forget, you can use the tissue paper for wrapping, as well as for using in your makes, and we get lots of goodies in here. So I'm just going to move the tissue paper out of the way. So we have 2 ball tools. We also have a white pencil, and the pencil is for putting lovely little outlines. Sometimes these pencils can be used as a pickup pencil, so it'll be interesting to see if it can do that. We also get some embroidery thread, and there are 6 reams of embroidery thread here. So 2 in green, this lovely grey blue, a soft pink, a lilac or purple, and then this kind of a cream colour. We have 2 little packages. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We also get one of these. This is for threading a needle, so that's very handy. We have a little package here with some things in it, and indeed we have a needle here for using our embroidery thread. So I'm going to pop that in there, and I'm also going to pop my threader in there as well. And we have some pieces in this, and I believe these are little brads, lovely little white brads, so we can use them in our makes as well. Perfect. So now we also get some cardstock, and this is an ombre cardstock that we get. You should be able to see there we go from a very pale blue down to a darker blue. We also get a piece of the A5 foam sheet inside. And let's have a look at our cardstock. Now with the cardstock we get this lovely wrap. I don't tend to tear this because you can use this with your smaller dies for the little lovely little for the polka dot paper. So we get 18 sheets altogether in here, and 2 of those are white cardstock. So we have our light blue to darker blue, 2 of those, a light purple to darker purple, 2 of those, a light pink to darker pink, 2 of those, a light green to a darker green, kind of a greeny blue, and there's 2 of those, and then we have our 2 white pieces of cardstock, and these are a nice heavy cardstock. I'd say they're 300 GSM, and again all that comes inside the kit. And then last but not least we get our booklet, and there is the lovely Lou. So inside here we get some inspiration. We also get an itemized list of what comes in our box. So this is called A Stitch in Time. And the tutorials are step by step in here. So I'm not going to go through them all. There's a lovely little catch up with Lou. And then there's inspiration from a number of the other design team members of Craft Stash. So I'll let you go through the rest of the book yourself. That way it'll be a surprise to you as to what comes inside your kit. So that's everything now that we have gotten in our kit this month. We have our fabulous ball tools for doing flower forming, or even forming some butterfly wings. You could give a curl to those. We get our needle and our threader, our thread, our pencil, and we also get our dies that came in the kit. We have our stamps that came in the kit. We have our lovely stencils. And we have our parchment paper. So that's everything in this month's kit. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Watch this space and I'll share with you some cards that I'll make using the products from this box. So until next time, folks, stay safe, take care, and bye for now.